Hello everyone. This evening our Weather Authority alert day continues and it goes all the way until midnight. That's the point when we're going to see the winds ease off enough that tomorrow is looking a little bit better. Again, it's still going to be cold tomorrow, but not quite as cold as what we were experiencing through much of today. As the week continues as well, temperatures will continue to warm up, so that's a pretty good sign. There's nothing really developing off towards the west that is going to bother us anytime soon. A couple showers coming through parts of California and then a little bit around the Great Salt Lake, but there's really not a lot of organized activity going on out there. Now, even as we get later into next week, the activity isn't exactly organized, but it is going to lead to a lot more consistent rain that travels across the center and the eastern part of the country. Still some counties towards our north left in the winter storm warning, and technically part of Pocahontas County is as well, since there's little pieces of snow up there. But we are looking at better conditions as we get a little bit later on. Now, the wind chill advisory still exists across a lot of the highlands and into the NRP. Basically anywhere, treat it like the wind chill advisory is out. Tomorrow morning, we still have wind that we have to deal with. So the best thing you can do to protect yourself from that wind getting to you is to make sure that you're bundled up. This is different than layering up, which does certainly help, but if you have gloves, scarf, hat, a lot of stuff that can help to keep the heat that your body is naturally producing, that will allow you to pretty much ignore the wind in a lot of instances. What the wind really does is take away a lot of that heat that your body's generating and make you feel extra cold. So the less opportunity you can give it to do that, the better set up you are for the next couple of days. Now, we are looking at some cold temperatures. Wednesday morning was looking at one of the coldest ones, but a lot of us tomorrow, after the temperatures slide down into the teens, are going to see warmer conditions, so that by this next Wednesday morning, we're looking at more temperatures up into the mid-30s. On top of that, winds are going to generally decrease as we go throughout the day. They're very slowly decreasing overnight, but it is a lot more noticeable through tomorrow itself. A lot of winds will start off around 10, 15 miles per hour. By noon, we're under 10, and then we stay around the 5-mile-per-hour mark through a lot of the evening, much less wind gusts, so that sets us up pretty nicely. Now, Sunday stays cold. Same thing on Monday. Temperatures are starting to warm up a little bit at that point. Tuesday is a little noticeably warmer. More and more temperatures are going to start to get to the 30s, 40s, and even 50s at that point. And then as we get towards Wednesday morning, some rain starts to build in. It will continue to press further towards the east. There's a low pressure system towards our northwest and to our southwest. The gist of what it's going to do to us is it just keeps us rainy for a few days, and that cloud cover will help us hold on to quite a bit of heat. So a lot of lows get to the 30s and 40s, and a lot of highs get up into the 50s and even 60s. Tuesday starts with a couple showers. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, even into Saturday, it's pretty consistent. And with that, the temperatures rise. Like I said, we're bringing in some warmer air, and then the clouds really help us to hold on to that heat through Friday and Saturday. Tonight, we fall back down into the teens. Blacksburg's at 10, Danville at 14, and then tomorrow, our temperatures are able to warm up pretty steadily. It's not going to be crazy hot or anything, but it's better than it was today with Roanoke at 37, and then a lot of our temperatures getting up into the 40s on Monday. On the extended forecast, temperatures are going to continue to rise up into the 50s as we get to that kind of middle part of the week, and then more and more 60s for Thursday and Friday. Like I was saying, rain as opposed to snow. Check out the lows getting up into the 40s. So definitely able to hold on to quite a bit of warmth there.